Hi everyone, Andrea here from Nexttools Dev Team. In this video, we're going to create a simple delivery customization or shipping function to hide the free shipping option if the cart amount is not at least of 100. So first thing first, click on shipping button from the main screen of SupaEasy and click on conditionally hide rates. Then let's give this campaign a name, for example, hide free shipping for cart lower than 100. And then we will choose our cart qualifier and select cart item or discount subtotal. And then we will say that if the cart subtotal is less than or equal to 100, what we want to do is to hide rate name with the name free shipping. So let's save our function. Let's activate our function and let's test it. So as you can see, our cart is 210. If we reload the cart, the free shipping option is still visible. So let's go back and modify the cart to 60. So as you can see, the cart now is lower than 100. So if we go through the checkout again, you will see that the free shipping is not visible anymore. So what we want to do now is create another function with the same functionality, but instead of hiding a shipping rates, we want to rename a shipping rate. So we will rename this one standard to standard shipping or something else. So let's create another function. To create another function, we can duplicate the old one. So we have another one right here, and then we can edit the previous rule. But this time we want to change name. And so we will say change name if cart is lower than 100. Perfect. Then we will choose the cart qualifier. Then we will say if the cart is less than or equal to 100, we want to change the rate with the name standard to standard shipping for lower cart. That's it. Let's save the rule and enable also this rule. Let's reload our cart. As you can see, the other function is running, and so it's hiding the free shipping option. And this new function is renaming this option right here. Then that's it. Practically, that's it. So just do another test. If we disable the function, everything is back to normal. See you in the next video.